Hey, guess what? Here's my friend David Shigi. He's Bromeliad, Hawaii, the greatest flower in the world, Bromeliad, right? Yeah, David?
Right on. Very
Hey,
good.
but who's the fastest chef?
Oh, the man in the pan.
Oh yeah,
is the
give a
best.
sock of the man in the pan.
is the best.
Awesome. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm going to do something really exciting. I'm going to do a real nice salad that's going to be perfect for a Christmas occasion. All what you do, you got your pan, right? Put a dressing. Make it kind of hot. Inside there you put about half cup of olive oil. You put in half cup of shoyu. You put olive oil and shoyu. Then you put about 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then you get several cloves of garlic, just like this. You chop it up. Then you dump it right in the sauce. Stir it around. So I have the sauce going here. Okay. I'm gonna put it in a glass container and kind of cool it off. Just like this. Here's the sauce. Next, I'm gonna make my tofu salad. I romaine lettuce. Make sure you wash your lettuce now. Local lettuce. All Hawaiian meal. There you go. Here's the lettuce. Now you should do this in order, okay? So romaine lettuce first. Then next the bean sprouts. Very important to wash the bean sprouts. Get all the water out. Right on the bean sprouts, just like this. Okay? Then I grab some local Kalamata tomatoes and I have it diced up. You got the green lettuce, you got the white sprouts, and on here you put on the red tomato. Okay? Sprinkle it on just like this. There you go. It looks very Christmassy already, right? Next, put on 1 block of oishii tofu. I kind of got the firm tofu here. Is that, you should actually drain as much water as you can from this tofu. I cut the tofu in small blocks. Small block, and I have it drained just like this because you want all the water to come out. So on the tomato, you put on the tofu. Wow, this thing looks real Christmassy already. Okay? Now, what makes a real big difference is I add on takwang onto this salad. Okay? I got some Honda takwang. Squeeze out the water. Chop it up just in small pieces. Just like this. Squeeze out some of the juice. I have all these different colors, but you have the yellow takwang, which is not Christmas. But don't worry, because you shouldn't eat the yellow snow, right? Everything is here local. Now, I got this tegu. It's manufactured in Oahu. I'm going to chop it up and I'm going to put it on top of my salad. You got all these locally manufactured products along with locally grown items. Chop it up really small. Okay, I dump it right on the salad. Then I'll top it off with some clover sprouts. Sure you wash it on all the water. Top it off. You know what? There you go. Tofu salad, perfect for the holiday season. Oh, it looks really Christmassy, right? You top it with your dressing, right? You see the dressing that I made? There you go. Tofu salad. Gonna look good. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, the tofu, the tomato, the lettuce, oh, this is so oishii and good. You know, one of the few dishes that doesn't only look good, but it tastes good, but more so it is healthy. Until next week, we see you on the Man in the Pan. Happy holidays, everyone.